How to update APN settings on iPhone easily. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view, edit and reset APN, that is the access point name settings on an iPhone, ensuring proper mobile data connectivity, particularly useful when switching carriers or troubleshooting network issues. So let's get started. First of all, you get to open your settings application and then you get to head over to cellular, or it can be written mobile data if you're using any other version. So simply click on cellular over here, scroll down and here you'll be able to see cellular data network. Simply click on it and over here under the section of MMS, you'll be able to see your APN information. You'll be able to see your APN, so you can simply change it if you want according to your carrier. You can type in the username that is provided to you, or you can simply, type in any password, MMSC, but this is by default which your carrier will give you, the proxy, the MMS max message size, and MMS UA prof URL. So if you wish to change them, you can simply do them over here, or whether you just want to view them, so you can do them over here as well. So that is basically how you can update APN settings on iPhone. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.